Alright guys, I am back with another recap. It has been a while. I've had a lot of stuff going on. Last week I had one of my friends come over to my house and stay with me, so I was with him every time I was done trading, and then my mom actually also came, so I was with my parents after trading as well. So I had no time to do a recap all last week. The week came by. I had a good week last week and go over my profits, and then today ending up the day $916. But I'm gonna still try my best to give these recaps out for you guys. I know a lot of you like them and like the previous videos and can learn from these recaps. So I'm gonna try to do that. Same thing as always. I'm still streaming live every morning on YouTube right here. So make sure to hit subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. It is free. And 15 minutes before market open, I stream about 2.5 hours, usually where I make the bulk of my money. As well as on tradecaster.com. So if you go to tradecaster.com, you can watch me stream. The majority of my people over there in that chat is definitely more active. So if you want to go watch me there, just cancel out the payment when you go to Tradecaster, and then you can watch me free as well. A couple of things. I do have my course released now. The link is down below. Use code 150 off, and that way you'll get $150 off. If you have any questions about my course, just go ahead and shoot me a DM, shoot me a message on my Discord, or even comment down below. Course has everything you need from complete beginner to all the strategies that I use, and you are put into a private Discord that every single day I also upload my trades on the day and explain why I took them and where exactly in that course that strategy come from. So if you want to learn about trading and you want the course, go ahead and click the link down below. Other than that, guys, $916 day today. Usually my trades look more like this, kind of just a one big trade, waiting for that one good setup, take it aggressive, and make most of my money. But today kind of seemed like a choppy, grindy day. So I was down, looks like maybe 50 bucks on the day, and then I got myself up 100. Then I got myself up 300, then 400, then a big jump from 450ish to $700, and then from $700 to $800, and then from $800 to $900. So I had a lot of small winners that added up for the rest of the day, and I'm about to go over some of those with you guys. So I'll start off with PDD. Alright, before I go over my trades, I quickly forgot I told you guys, I was done recording my recap and I told you guys I forgot to show you my week. So just to give you guys a heads up, so today I did $916, you guys know that. Friday I made $700, Thursday I made $16.59. This was a day that I was green, $200, $300. Gave it all back, got myself green. You know what? I called it a day. I finished green. Wednesday up $400, Tuesday up $400, and then Monday I was up $700. So it was all green last week. $2.5 thousand week. I think it was something like that. It was a great week. I think I played it too small of a share size on a lot of these things. But overall, I traded very, very clean. So like Friday, only one ticker was red and the other ones were green. Thursday, I was break even. But Wednesday, all of them green again, one small red ticker. Tuesday again, all of them green, one super small red ticker. And then Monday, a bigger red ticker, but pretty some nice wins on drug, PRTY, and GFRX. Like always, all my live streams are recorded and uploaded on YouTube. So if you wanted to see any of these days and watch the actual trade happen, you can check my recaps. But let me go into the recap today now. PDD was a pricier stock, so this one I was taking very small share size, and honestly the daily looked pretty strong on this thing, so I almost kind of wanted to buy this thing and see if we have a double top breakout and keep the momentum going. So this previous high over here was $68, and when we opened this morning we were down to 65, or gapping up to 65. So in my mind I was like, you know what, I think we can get $68, $69 on this thing. So I started taking some dips. I got this flag here, right, almost kind of a breakout of the pre-market pivot. I held through this 3-minute pullback, and this actually was kind of like a false breakdown, a fake flush. That's what I was looking for. So we held bottoms, and then this thing flushed, closed slow, and instantly recovered. And so it made me confident to hold my shares. I sold 100 there on that spike through high of day, and then I actually kept 100 shares on this thing all the way up to here. Now I probably would have left this thing run with a stop, and I wish I did, because I sold at 67 and this thing ran to 72. So that's a $5 a share left that I left. But when I saw this candle, this thing actually ripped up and did similar to this, but actually flushed back down. And at that point I was like, you know, I panicked. I sold. So I got out of that trade there. But I did have a stop under this pivot that was not triggered with this. It was right below that, so it would have held through this still. But oh well. So that was PDD. Made $122 here. CMRX, I was able to also trade for a profit. I think everything that I took today, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, 6 tickers today, and I was green on all of them. So very, very good trading today. $190 on this stock, and let me look at my trades here. This one was the one that I didn't play the dip buys the best. This one was a stock that I traded breakouts. I traded breakouts on this stock. I missed the 5-minute flags. I missed the 1-minute flags. I missed the pivot plays, and that would have been right here. So this could have been the place to buy, accumulate shares, and wait for this rip. So I chased it, breakout high of day, got my entry right below that 242, which was high of day, and looking for the 250 to break. I got that trade, got the winning trade. Profit on that one. Then again, missed the whole BWAP bounces, 5-minute flag bounces, dips right here. Missed all of those, and then waited for it to curl back up. Had a downtrend break here as well. Also missed that. Could have averaged in here, break a downtrend, and then kind of almost retesting this area. I missed that trade as well, but it's okay. I let it go through. High of day at this point was now 263, and I'm punching in 261, 262 for that break of 263 all the way to 264-ish, and took my money out there. And then this looks like a small scalp. I might have lost on this one. Lost about a penny a share on that one. So it looks like I gave about $20, $30 on that one. So this was a breakout trade. So I did the breakout of the $half, and then up here, $half breakout, and then breakout trade here of the high of day momentum. So pretty clean trades on that one, breakout trades. But now I'm going to show you guys a trade, stock that I did, that I traded the dips, and this was completely different, right? This is completely different type of trading. One of them I'm buying the breakout, and the other one I'm buying the dip, and that was right here. So this one, this is kind of slightly a little bit of breakout trade right here. The high of day was 11.78, looking for $12. So I'm starting to punch in the button. 11.36 down here. Small little pullback to get through 11.50, $half, and then look for that $12 mark, which I did end up getting that. So I got 11.50 break, sold right before, and then sold on the other side, almost up to $12. I sold at 11.90 was my highest sell. Now this is the one that paid me good and perfect entry. I'm looking at a 5-minute chart. So if you guys go look here on my 5 minutes, I am looking for this volume on this stock for it to go up green with high volume, and then pull back down with low volume. And look at that decreasing volume right there as the stock is pulling back down. Now this was about a 15-minute pullback. 5 red candles right there, 15-minute pullback. The second it touched that pivot there in the ADMA at 12.45, I punched the button down there. I actually got a higher fill, so I fell in at like 12.50, but 5 cents off the bottom on a stock this volatile is pretty good. I honestly don't know why I took some out pretty early, so I took some out here at 12.82, but I was able to stick some of these out. Now looking for high of day. So my high of day was 13.50. Now I'm looking for this price, right? So I'm getting an entry. I have my target. I'll have a stop down below it. And I got that. And also left some more on this one. So I got a trade from 12.50 all the way up to 13.44, almost $1 a share. And I sold at 13.44, and this thing still hit 14.42, so I left about another $1 a share on the table there. Obviously, I'm not going to catch the wick here, but I definitely could have got another 30, 40, 50, 60 cents if I sold up here somewhere. But nonetheless, still a $369 trade on that one. AHI, another green trade, another green ticker. Let me look at this one. So this one is going to, if it shows me my trades, there it goes. This one had some momentum in the morning and then kind of just faded and then started having a big curl back up. And honestly, this looks like a giant cup and handle. So AHI right here, nice little cup, nice little handle, and then rips. I took some trades here. I think I had this nice breakout of $1.50. $half here. I sold on the other side at 151, and then this thing flushed, so I was able to avoid that. And then small little scalps here, kind of a 1-minute flag. So this candle's going up, and then that pullback down with less volume, kind of a 1-minute pullback. Bought that one and then sold as this thing started squeezing back up again. Small little scalp here again, but now I'm on the back side of the stock, so no need to keep trading and give profits back because stock ended up pulling back after that. So this one was kind of the nice little rip through $half, and then that cup and handle 1-minute flag here to continue going higher. RVPH. This one was my smallest green day, only ending at 100, and this was my last trade. So I was actually done streaming. I was up $800 on the day, and then I actually was just doing stuff for my course members, helping them out, posting stuff on there, reaching them out to them personally. And then I saw Zach on my Discord and John were alerting this one down here. I think they punched the button in somewhere down here. Um, and they rode this thing from like 2.6 all the way to 3 plus, and were able to sell in the break of 3. I was only able to take the breakout here on this 1 minute candle, broke $3, sold on the other side, took my profit, and then flushed real quick. So this thing, another thing, we're grabbing my profits, paid out real quick. So I took my gains on the other side, and then this thing flushed back down. So I did the right thing on that one. But they were announcing here, and I was actually trading this one on my backup account, which I can't show you guys because otherwise you'll show my ID. But I actually did jump into my backend account and bought it here, but I think I ended up stopping out again. I got a little bit of scared on that one. I was like, I hadn't traded on this other account in a long time, so I don't want to risk it and give money away, give profits away. Looks like small scalp there, but that wasn't really anything big. So the bigger trade was the pullback 5 minute flag on NERV. That one paid out pretty good, and the initial breakout trades on this one and CMRA. So that's it for this recap, guys. Quick little recap. This is how I want to make them so you guys can see exactly. You're not sitting here watching a 20-30 minute video. You're going to come in, watch the trades that I took, every trade that I took, see exactly how much I make, what I was looking for, why I took the trade, where I stopped out, where I took my money, and all of that. So please hit a thumbs up on these videos if you like them. Please comment down below so the algos push it to more people and we can get more people on the team. If you want to watch me trade live, just subscribe, hit that notification bell, go to tradecaster.com, one or the other ones. I check both chats. If you want to get my course, send me a DM or go to the link down below. Use the code $150 off for a discount. If you have any questions about it, just DM me. If you just want to be part of the team, hit the Discord down in the link below. Trade with us throughout the day. Everybody's at least out there mentioning their plays, mentioning what they're looking for and pivots and all that stuff. So I'm going to do my best to give you guys a recap every day this week. I had some stuff that was unplanned that I had to go do right after trading today, and took about 3 to 4 hours of my day, so I was actually not here for most of it. So this is a later recap, but here it is, $900. Great way to start the week and great way to end August. Honestly, looking forward to September. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the live streams or on my recap. Y'all have a good day.